Good day YouTube. Today I'm gonna unboxing a new lawnmower at Craftsman model M140. I'm gonna open the box now. This is just brand new, came from the Lowe's. It's $279 plus tax. This comes with the bag. This is the side discharge. And it comes with the engine oil 10W30. This is the lawnmower itself. And it's got a Honda engine on it. It's GCV 160. It's 160 cc. Make sure when you assemble a new lawnmower, make sure you pull this one all the way up. You gotta have loosen the nut. And loosen the nut all the way until it will loose, and then take it off. And now you can pull the lever up and see this hole right here. Right in here you got a line. Right in here you got to line this bolt in here. Just like that, and do the same thing to the other side, and just tighten it up. That's it. Then adjust this one to make it straight, just like that. Put the nuts inside, just like that. And do the same thing to the other side. Insert the bolt and put the nut. Make sure it's only hand tight. Alright, now we'll go to the engine part. This is the engine pull. That's the blade of it. And this one is got a water port. When you're done cleaning or doing a lawnmower, you stick the hose in here and run the blade off. It will clean underneath of the lawnmower. And then make sure you put gasoline on it. It's just a regular gasoline. And make sure the oil, it's gotta have an oil in it. This one doesn't have any oil yet, so the package comes with the oil, the engine oil, 10W30. Make sure you pour, before you start the engine, make sure you pour the oil in it, because you don't want to ruin the engine running without oil. And measure the oil, make sure it's in the right amount of oil. On that case, it's still running low. Make sure the oil is in this level right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some more oil, little by little, and then check that again. You can have some more, a little bit more. And bam, that's it. It's got the right amount of oil in it now, so it's good to go. And the next one, make sure you put gasoline on it. I'm gonna take this one off. Just put a little bit of gasoline, just to enough enough to start the new engine. That should be good for now. Then we'll see if it's start right up. And the pull handle, stick this one inside of it. To stick in it, just loosen the nut and tighten it up just like that. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna start right up. Go. Start right up in just one pull. That's how you open the new Craftsman Model 140. It's got a Honda engine 1CB. I mean a GCB 160. Thanks for watching, guys.